reaching. I'm not doing anything, I promise. I'm just going for a walk.
You don't go for a walk and start sprinting away from the sheriff's office.
I wasn't sprinting.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't. I was walking, I promise. Listen. Oh my God.
We have one female detained.
When you're given commands by a deputy sheriff to stop, you stop. You didn't try to stop, turn around, or acknowledge me.
I did try to stop.
No, you did not.
Yes, sir.
You're under arrest.
Hey, he's gonna land that drone on the street. Can you grab it for him?
Sir, please, I've never been arrested before. I've never done anything.
Okay.